Good morning, everybody. Our today's topic is plants and their leaves. Okay, as we know that some trees are big whereas other may be small. Okay, now let's learn about the plants and trees. Okay, there are four types of plants and trees which are of different types, shapes, size, and other types. Okay, what are the four types of plants? Trees, shrubs, herbs, and climber and creepers. Okay, now let's learn in detail. First one is tree. Some plants grow up to become big and strong. Okay, they are very huge. Okay, they are like big trees. They are very strong and very difficult to cut, so we should not cut the trees. Okay, they are called trees. Trees have thick and strong stem. These are the stems. Okay, these are the stems, and they are also called as trunk also. What does it call? Trunk. A tree lives for many years. Okay, they lives for many years. You know it very well that banyan tree can live for hundreds of years. Okay, hundreds of years. See what comes under tree: peepal tree, banyan tree, neem tree, mango tree, and gulmohar tree. Okay, these are the types of trees. Okay, and many others are there. Okay, now look, let's come to shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They are smaller in trees. Okay, they have thin but hard stem. That is very thin but very hard. Okay, trees have very thick stems, but shrubs have very thin stems. They are of medium size and low height. They are of medium size and low height. Okay, shrubs lives for many years but not as long as trees. Okay, understood? What comes in shrubs? Guava, cotton, rose tree, rose plant, hibiscus, pomegranate, and what is this? Bougainvillea. What is this? Bougainvillea. Okay, now let's come to herbs. Herbs are very small plants which have weak stems. They are very weak. Okay, they always have green soft stems. What? Green soft stems. Okay, they are seasonal plants and they live only for few months. Okay, they comes for in the month of uh, whatever season is going on. Okay, for what are the herbs? Tomato, cauliflower, spinach, mint, paddy, maize. These are the examples of herbs. Okay, now let's come to climber and creepers. Some plants have very weak stems. They are very weak and they need a support to grow. Okay, if they will not get the support, then they will lie on the ground only and they will grow the on ground only. They cannot stand straight. Some plants either climb or other plants for support, trees for support, or grow along the ground. Understood? Like what are the examples of climbers and creepers? Grapes, beans, money plant, and peas. Okay, now let's come to the other topic, where plants grow. Plants grow in different places. Some plants grow on land while some plants grow in water. Some plant grows on land or some grows on water. Okay, different trees grows in different climate. Different trees have different climate. Okay, now let's come here. Pine tree. Pine tree, where does it grow? On hilly areas. Okay, where there is weather is cold. Okay, neem tree, where does it grow? Where the weather is warm, garmi. Okay, coconut tree, where does it grow? In coastal areas. Understood? Now cactus plant, where does it grow? In desert where very little water is there. Okay. Tape grass, where does it grow? Underwater, inside the water. Okay. And lotus, where does it grow? On water. Okay, on water. Leaves of a plant. Different plants have different kind of leaves, as we know it very well. Most of the plant leaves are green, but they may be of different colors too. In green there are many shades, light green, dark green. Okay, they have different shapes and different colors also. Okay, plants prepare their food in green leaves. Leaves have a green colored substance called chlorophyll. What does it call? Chlorophyll. In the presence of sunlight, air, water and chlorophyll, plants make their food. Understood? Leaves are of different shapes and sizes too. Some leaves are long and some are of oval shape or triangular shape. Okay, leaves can be soft or crisp. What does it? This word is crisp. They have different textures. Okay, different textures mean different shapes. Leaves can also be rough or smooth. It can be very dry or very soft. Okay, coconut, pine and fir trees have long needle like leaves. Okay, their leaves are very pointed and we get hurt on our fingers. Okay, neem, mango, banyan and peepal trees have oval leaves. What is the shape of banyan tree and all? Oval shape. See, mango tree, banyan tree. Can see na? Banyan trees has big, flat, fan-like leaves. Banyan leaves are used to serve food in some parts of the country. Like in, we can say that South Indians used to use that banana leaves for the serving. Okay. Water lily and lotus have broad leaves which help the plants to float on water. Lotus leaves help the plants to float on water. Okay, they doesn't go inside the water. Papaya has quite different leaves. See, this is papaya leaf. Okay. Now next, useful of leaves. Different types of leaves are used for different purposes. Leaves of Spanish and fenugreek. What is fenugreek? Methi. Okay. They are eaten as vegetable. Coriander leaves add flavor to the food. What is coriander leaf? That is dhania. Okay, we call it dhania in Hindi. Okay. Bay leaves are used as spices. Lettuce leaves are used as salad. Tulsi and neem leaves are used as medicines. Okay. Now next, composite pit. The dead fallen leaves are collected in a deep pit along with other plants waste. Means this pit is known as composite pit. The leaves which get dried on trees, they fall down and they collect all the leaves on one place and do the other process. See what the procession is going on. The waste gathered in the composite pit and left to rot for a few weeks. Means they they gather all the leaves together and then they keep that for a few weeks and after that it helps to manure. Okay, means they changes it to khad. We call it in Hindi khad. Okay, it changes to khad. This natural manure is very good for the plants. It can be used by the farmers in place of chemical fertilizers. Okay, understood? Now what are the uses of plants? We will get to know. Okay, plants are very important for us. They give us food in the form of fruit, vegetable, grain, spices, etc. Okay, they give food, shade and shelter to many animals. Trees help the animals to get shade. Okay, they sit under the tree. See, this cow is sitting under the tree. They keep the air clean. They keep the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Okay, they affect the rainfall of a place. It is our duty to take care of plants. We must plant more and more trees, and we should not cut that. We should grow more and more trees so that our environment remains safe and pollution free and healthy. Understood? Now you have a homework that please collect 4 to 5 leaves and stick it on a blank paper. Okay, different kind of leaves. Okay, goodbye.